All right, guys, we're just cranking out the videos this morning. Guys, Solana. I cannot leave you guys today without talking about Solana, because Solana is defying what Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing right now. I'm going to move around to the charts a little bit because I want to give you guys a full prediction. Look at Solana, guys. Solana is up 5.66%. Avalanche is maybe the only other coin that is up here around this area. I will be looking to move this buy limit up a little bit higher, and I may call it out as a manual move for all of us in the Telegram channel. But guys, look at this. Let's just start here. Let's go through our normal introduction. We're 117 wins and 0 losses. Guys, come trade with us. You're going to love it. We've never lost a trade, and our account is super, super healthy, okay? Let me get this out in the way in the beginning real quick just so you guys know. Our pricing is $95 a month. We've won 117 wins, 0 losses, all the metrics you'll get access to, the Telegram channel where I give you guys all the signals for entries, for exits, the masterclasses, the community chat is yours. We're going live April 14th. Best community online, hands down. You are the kindest, most awesome community we have. I'm just convinced of that. Okay, guys, let's go over this. The indicators real quick. I'm going to be showing you guys today. Price response, money flow, trend exhaustion. You guys have a few hours left. We are upping this price. Make sure you guys snag this. This is the lowest price we'll ever have this. I want to get this out in the beginning of the video, and I want to dive into today's analysis. 84% off. Use coupon code March. You guys have a few hours left, and we're going to be upping this price today. Do not miss this, guys. I want to tell you in the beginning so no one feels like they missed out. And we up the price tomorrow and you guys are like, why the heck did I not buy? You now have a chance. Don't miss your chance. Okay. All right. Let's dive in here, guys. Retail trader indicators are blasting up here and they're all bullish. This is where I personally watch for drops back down in the market. Okay. Look at and let me get this a little bit higher here. Price response, money flow, and trend exhaustion. Okay. Look at these two over here. What we're seeing over here is that trend exhaustion is really high. Well, money flow is high as well. We're starting to push up here where we actually broke this. Guys, from a structure perspective, this feels and looks like a possible bull trap at a resistance right here that we're going to break up and then move back down. That's what I'm seeing. And then let me show this as well. Do you guys see that price action is actually making a high and another high here? And well, money flow is actually a high and a lower high. Money is literally like flowing out of this on this exchange, what we're looking at for Binance, for Solana. This is on a 4-hour time frame. So just know that this is happening over here. Now, this is one of the signs that we're seeing. I want to show you something else that's actually incredibly bullish. So I'm going to give you guys all, it's a hard one to call. I'm going to be honest, guys. This isn't an easy one to be like, oh, it's just going to go to the moon. No, it's hard to call because this literally shows money moving out over here and it's an overextended market. Trend exhaustion as well, if you guys can see this, has divergence. Now, when you guys see divergence like this on both of the indicators, we need to be looking for drops back down in the market. Okay, let me see real quick if I can find this for you guys in the past. When this started moving up here, let me see. We started seeing, let me get this out of the way real quick. I'm going to move this out. I have to show this to you guys because you need to just be aware of this. We're getting requests coming in for this video, so I want to do a good job on this. Okay, watch this. You have a high and another higher high during this duration, okay? During the middle of this where it dropped, money started flowing out of the market before it actually reached the high, as well as trend exhaustion pushed up to a high on this high before it got here. This is divergence. People thought we were moving up here and then the market crashed. Okay, time after that. This is why you need the indicators, guys. When trend exhaustion is in the top red section and well money flow is high, you need to watch for drops back down. Yes, you need to watch this as well when it gets to the bottom because people are scalping and they're taking long trades and they're doing amazing. But again, trend exhaustion high, well money flow high. You need to be looking for the drops down. Okay, great. You see that now. You see the accuracy. Now look at where we've been up over here. We are getting to an area right now, guys, where we are overbought, and this is going to need to have a healthy move back down to then, I believe, have a healthy move back up. Now let me come up here and show this to you guys. Long versus short trades over here. Let's get in really deep. Let's look at this. We see short trades increasing and long trades are decreasing. Do you see this? This is a bearish sign. So I know a lot of people are looking at this and they're thinking, oh, it's just going to go up. It's just going to go up. I would actually be more cautious, guys, of this being a move down coming than a just continuation move back up. I'll give you that target and I'll use really good analysis of where I think it's going to go. But short trades are increasing, long trades are decreasing. You can see this. Now let me give you guys some more evidence here of possibly, just possibly, why this has momentum. And honestly, guys, out of all the coins that we have, I do not see this on any other coins except for Solana. Look at the ridiculous, and when I say I usually say millions, this is literally pushing us into the tens, if not hundreds of millions of dollars pushing into Solana right now. This is the fastest market cap increase I've ever seen on a coin in history. Okay, guys? On Solana. That means there is so much money that has been pumped in here. Now, this can go two ways. So listen, because there is literally tens, if not hundreds of millions of dollars flooding into Solana, that means that money is still in here, and most likely people are waiting and they're holding their trades. So if this thing gives us any type of sign where we start moving down, let me give this to you guys. I want to give you guys everything on this analysis right here. Here is the ascending support line I'm looking at. Yes, this can come in here and it can start bouncing back down. If we break this support right here, so let's get in here and let's look at this. If Solana comes back down and breaks this support right here, which is going to be right around 120, I would look for a lot of people who went long to actually start selling because they think it's probably going to break back down. With that much money in the market, that means that much more money can look to sell their positions, okay? So another thing, because this is so high and it's getting very close to structure resistance over here, short trades are going to come out in the market, like I've already showed you guys. So short trades are going to try to help push this back down. I know this looks like a market that's going to keep going up, but I would be honest, guys, like if you got into our trades that you guys literally got in at the bottom here, I would be taking at minimum 50% out of this trade. Why am I not taking anything out yet? Because we're not in the profit yet. But once we do, I will be calling an exit, and this has been an incredible rebound. All right, trades in favor, short trades, okay? Do you guys see what happens when this metric gets into long trades? We see market moves back up. It is such a powerful, powerful metric. The moment we put into good short trades, we saw a drop. We came up here into a good short trade, you saw a drop. Like, let me pause here. If you guys are literally taking trades and you're waking up in the morning, can you please do yourself a favor and check these metrics first? You're like, hey, I wonder what trade I should take today. This is why we coded this metric. What trades are in favor today? It is short trades more than long trades. Okay. Can I show you something else? You guys are like, man, this has happened before. We're just going to scream up and we're going to keep going. Yes, this has happened before. This has happened before, and it saw a 50% retracement, guys. Here's the low, there's the high. Here's the 50% retracement. Here's the 50% bounce right there. And if you don't like that, here's the one that came down right after that. So in this market, can I show you another spot? This screamed up just like it did here and had over a 50% correction, close to 75%. All right. It would be foolish of me, guys. And honestly, like, I love you guys literally like you're like a family over here. I'm not going to get on this video. Maybe some other YouTubers are like, oh, it's going to go to the moon. No, I really do believe this thing's going to start dropping back down because it's an overextended market. Let's continue here. Wells Institutional Smart Money, they're coming out here and position their side on short trades as well. They did this last time over here. They didn't get what they wanted right away, but eventually they did and the market started moving back down. Okay. I have this feeling that people are thinking that this is just going to do one of these moves. We're just going to go like this and just going to keep going up and up and up. I actually think this market will probably do a move like this and actually come down a decent amount, maybe sideways for a little bit and then move back up. I've always been bullish in quarter 2 and 3 of this year. I've always been saying that quarter 2 is going to be bullish, and we're seeing that, you know, it started early, but I do think we could see a bigger move down than you guys might want in the market. So if you're in profit, look to take some profit. Okay. Resistances, we don't even have a resistance up there because it's so ridiculously high, but when this prints new ones, we'll see that. Support 105. 105 is what we need to be watching for. That's right around this level and this level right here. How big of a drop could this be in the market? Let's take a look at this. If we come back down to the strongest structure support, it's a 17% drop. Okay, 17% drop also correlates in here to a high to a low of a Fibonacci retracement of exactly 50%. All right, this isn't just numbers we're throwing out here, guys. This is actual technical analysis that's strong, okay? 105 is possibly where we could drop back down to, and that also puts us close. It's below, but it's closer to that ascending support line as well. Okay, those of you guys who got into an entry down here with our metrics, you guys are doing like some crazy money over here. You got in literally at the bottom over here, and you're sitting up right now about 56%. I entered in with $49,000 into the market back here, okay? So I'm up around 52, 53% on that money that I entered into the market on the amount I put into Solana, okay? I think I put in like 6 or 7 different coins. But on this, I'm up 56% too. I am holding this trade until we get back up into the profit for this one. I'll exit together at structure high. Those of you guys who follow me in Telegram, you guys will be experiencing probably close, because you're going to look at this structure high up here, around the 93, possibly maybe getting close to touching 100% profit on this trade. It's why you guys want to start trading with us. It is awesome. All right, let me move us down here and show you guys how to get into a trade setup. Because here's the thing. If you guys think this is going to go up, let me show you how to get into a trade setup. But if it goes down, let me still show you how to get into a trade setup in case it goes down so you're safe. This is how we trade, and we've never lost a trade. This is so important. This may be the most important part of the video if you guys are wanting to trade this. On our membership, you guys will get access to the entries. You're going to see 4 yellow lines. Follow how I teach this right now. The $1,000, or choose the amount that you want to enter in each of our coins with. You choose the amount, okay? It's your money, you choose. Take the amount and split it into 4 equal portions, 250, and place 250 at each of the yellow lines. You can see them here. They're labeled in neon yellow. You cannot miss them. There are 4 lines on Solana as well. There is also going to be a sell limit up here, which is going to be in green on the metrics. All right. Let's say this. Let's say you guys have $4,000 and there's 4 yellow lines for buy limits. This is not where they're at. It's just something I need to mock up. Here is why this strategy is ridiculously awesome. If this market drops, which I do believe we could see a drop in market, you guys will get tagged into the first buy limit. If we move up from here, you're going to make money. But you must trade with good risk management if you guys want to be professional and good traders and trade for the long term. What you're going to have is you guys can use 3 buy limits instead of 4 because we're below the middle point. If you take the high and the low of Solana, we're below the middle point, okay? What you can do right now is just use the first 3 buy limits. If this goes against us and it does move down to structure around where I was telling you guys, around that level, I don't want to pull it out because it's going to move this. Once we get down to that 50% retracement, your next buy limit will hit. Your entry does not stay at the first place. It's actually going to move between these two. And if we move down even further, down to structured low, which I think I have it a little bit lower than this, your entry is going to move down even further again. This is how you can make your money back faster if we drop, as well as your entry is dropping with you every buy limit you hit. There's no better way to trade this, and this is why we have never lost a crypto trade and have the highest win rate possibly ever recorded for crypto. I'm very humbled by that. It's awesome. I asked God like 3 years ago. I was like, sorry, I'm trying to pull a cord around to put power in my computer. I'm like, God, like I know it sounds arrogant, but I want to be the best trader in the world to help people. And I heard him say this: if you master risk management, you will become, I heard like one of the best traders. Okay. And we literally have the highest win rate. That principle that you guys just saw me teach you right there, that is what you need to be doing. This is not time for you to throw your money in because you see market cap going up and you think, oh my gosh, we're going to go to the moon. No, nothing ever, ever, ever goes to the moon. Get it out of your system. Don't even ever think moonshots anymore. It's not going to happen. It won't happen. Everything sees a drop. Market cap moving up like this. Look at this. Market cap moving up like that fast in the past. What happened after that? A drop. Market cap moved up like this fast in the past. What happened? A drop. Market cap moved up this fast in the past. I think this is actually faster, honestly. What do we see? A drop after that. Even in a bull market, there was a drop, guys. Just be prepared for a drop. That's what I want to give you guys. If you like this video, I'm sorry I was a little extra passionate. Hopefully that's okay for you guys. I'm excited in here. I'm excited because if it goes up, we'll make money. If it goes down, we're safe. So if you guys out of the end of this video are like, hey, what do I do? If you really feel like this is going to go to the moon, I'm not your financial advisor, but use those 3 buy limits, forego the first buy limit getting hit, and just put a market order in for 33%. That way you suffice yourself, you just get money into the market, but do not enter this without putting the full 3 buy limits in. Yes, 33% you can market order in right now. I would suggest you wait. And the other 33% at this buy limit and the buy limit underneath that, the second and the third on our website, okay? That will give you extremely good risk management because you don't want to FOMO in here and be like, oh, it did drop. Travis was right. I don't have anything to protect myself. Do this, guys. Promise you, this is a really, really, really good way to be trading. Get your membership, guys. The indicators are going up in literally just a few hours here for some of you in Australia. I literally think you guys have like 2 hours left to snag the indicators. All of the metrics and all of the signals I'll ever send out, you guys will get with the membership. So don't miss this, guys. This is your opportunity right now to snag our indicators. And you guys are going to get all 9 of our indicators, not just the 3 that you see on the charts, all 9. And you just need to enter coupon code MARCH at checkout and you'll get 84% off all of our bundle pack, all the indicators. It is a screaming good deal. We will never have our indicators lower than this price ever in the history of the business. We will not have them lower than this. This is the lowest we will ever have them. Okay, guys. God bless you. Have an amazing, amazing day. Get the indicators in the description as well as the membership. And I'll see you guys in the chat. And God bless you guys. Have an amazing day. Get risk management set up. Join us in the Telegram channel, and I'll call it an exit when this does start moving back up here. All right, guys. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.